Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 31st July. Some of the important events happened on 31st July in history which all of us must know. So let's look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Success is a vehicle which moves on wheel named hard work, but the journey is impossible without the fuel named self-confidence. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Mughal ruler declared himself as Emperor of India on this day in 1658? Answer. Aurangzeb. He is the son of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and he got the throne by making his father imprisoned. Question number 2. Which Indian writer born as Dhanpat Rai Srivastav on this day in 1880 was one of the foremost Hindi writers of 20th century whose notable novels are Karmabhumi, गोदान, शतरंज के खिलाड़ी, ईदगाह एटसेट्रा. आंसर. मुंशी प्रेमचंद. ही वॉज टेलिंग वन थिंग. मैं एक मजदूर हूँ. जिस दिन कुछ लिख न लूँ उस दिन मुझे रोटी खाने का कोई हक नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which Indian revolutionary belonging to Gaddar party was hanged by the British on this day in 1940 who had killed General O'Dwyer to take revenge of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer. Udham Singh. Question number 4. Which Indian actress born on this day in 1947 whose notable films are आपकी कसम, रोटी, अपना देश, खिलौना, सच्चा झूठा? Answer. Mumtaz. Question number 5. Which Indian film playback singer died on this day in 1980 whose song Baharo Phul Barsao was voted the most popular Hindi song in BBC Asia Network poll? Who had sung all the songs for Rishi Kapoor in film Laila Majnu? Answer. Mohammad Rafi. Indian film director Manmohan Desai once remarked about his voice that if anyone has the voice of God, it is Mohammad Rafi. Question number 6. Which sitar maestro was awarded Raman Magsaysay Award on this day in 1992? Answer. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Question number 7. Which year on this day first mobile call was made in India between the then Chief Minister of West Bengal Jyoti Basu with the then Union Telecom Minister Sukhram? Answer. 1995. Question number 8. Which state became 7th state of United States of America by accepting its constitution on this day in 1788? Answer. Maryland. Question number 9. Which British author born on this day in 1965 had written the fantasy series Harry Potter, the best-selling book in history? Answer. Joanne Rowling. She is popularly known as J.K. Rowling. Question number 10. Which Apollo 15 astronauts had driven the lunar roving vehicle on the surface of the moon on this day in 1971? Answer. David Scott and James Irwin. Friends, Thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.